Hey guys, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to discuss how to configure the IP addressing on the Cisco packet tracer. So this is simple topology we have right now, router 1 and router 2, and we have a 12.1 and 12.2 IP addressing is present on this diagram. And the subnet that I'm going to use it's 12.0/24. So what we can do that, let's take a console of this router right now, and let's put the no keyword, and then we simply go in the enable mode, config mode, because in the config mode you can do all the kind of configuration regarding the IP addressing, changing the host name, right, routing protocol configuration. Let's change the host name first of all. Host name will be router number 1, right, and then as the IP interface 0/0, right, IP address will be 12.1/24, no shutdown, right? By default, all the layer 3 interfaces are in the shutdown mode just for the security reason. So that's why we need to wake up this interface, right? So we are done with the router number 1. Now you can, if you now verify it, what you can do that, you just need to go in the user mode and see the show IP interface brief, and you can see that I have a IP address configured on this particular interface right now. The status is up right now, the protocol is down right now because we haven't configured the IP addressing on this interface. That's why the protocol is down. And the method that we have configured the IP address is the manual method, right? So we have another way is a DHCP, we'll talk about later. Same thing on the router number 2. If you see on the router number 2, if you go and see the no enable user mode and the config mode, under config mode change the host name for R2, interface 0/0, IP address, right, 12.2/24. So submit mask you have to give it. If you don't give the submit mask information, if you're just gonna put the enter over there, it will show you the incomplete command. So 12.2 and submit mask information, no shutdown. Once I put the no shutdown, then what happened, my protocol will be also up. So if you see that previously this protocol was down, now we got the log message up. So now you can verify the same thing on the router number 1. I can see my interface is working good right now, and status and protocol is also up. Same thing if you're going to verify on the router number 2. On the router number 2, you can also verify in the global config mode as well. You just need to use the do keyword, right, and say the show IP interface brief. And you can see that I have a 12.2 and the status is up right now and the protocol is also up. So quickly what we can do that, we can also verify the reachability between the router 2 router 1. I can use the ping command. Ping is the command that works on the ICMP protocol, and so the 12.1. If you get the reply, then it's that the our reachability is good and the configuration is good. So right now you can see that my 80% traffic is success right now. The first packet is dropped just because of the R. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video.